Okay, students, we are going to try to solve the four cases of um, our workshop in the class for the last time. So, in the first case, the first questions: how many state has water population percent below 55 and which state? So you have to find the water population first. Okay, so first of all, you have to create a pivot table. Okay, and you can put the um, because the water populations is the ratio between confirmed water to citizen populations. So you can take uh, confirmed water and citizen populations, and then after that you can create the new calculated field like percent water uh, populations. Then water population is the ratio between, in the formula, is the ratio between confirmed water divided by citizen population. Okay, so you create the new field once you click OK, and you have the new field, and so you have to change this number format to percentage, and you can have 0 decimal, and then after that, according to the questions, okay, you have to use the filter. So all these all are some of the water population, right? After that, you have to go to use the value filter that is less than uh, the you use the filter by sum of the water population, the new field that you just created, and then you use below 55%, and then you click OK, and you can get all the answer. Okay, so that is there are five states. The answer is gonna be how many states? The answer is 5. And which state? The answer is Arkansas, Hawaii, Oklahoma, Texas, and Virginia. And also the next question is how many confirmed water in California were over 65 years old in this data? What percentage does represent all the confirmed water in California, and what percentage out of confirmed water in the entire country? Okay, so in this case, the first question asks about the how many confirmed water in California were over 65 years old. Okay, in this case, you need to use the filter, right? So this is we can clear all the filters, and it show um, all the states. And you want to uh, use the filter, right? The age of like okay 65. So you're gonna select only this and this segment, right? So you're gonna filter only 65, and then now you have 65 years old, right? Over, and you want to find how many confirmed water. So confirmed water in California, right? So you can actually you can do like, just only one state, right? Okay, so this is the answer of the second questions, right? and 2,902,000. Okay, so this is the answer for the first question here. And what percentage, the next one, what percentage does that represent the total confirmed water in California? So now they ask that if, okay, you use the California, right? And if you want to see that that this represent all the ages, and you can like take the age out, and then you put the age in here. You can have the all of the age in California, right? So in this case, if you want to see the like, you can use the outline form is break down into another column. Okay, and now you want to know that this amount is how many percentage, right? So you can use like show where you as. Okay, you can as show where you as. You can see like grand total is okay because this is just only 100% is California, and this is the answer for the second questions. Okay, 21.56%. Okay, and the next question is what percentage out of the confirmed water in the entire country? Now we want to know that how about this number? It's equal to how many percent in the entire country. So that means you have to take the filter. You have to select all the country, right? And you see this is how many percent of all the column. Okay, so now that you can um, uh, select all the country, right? And then all the states, sorry, all the states, and then you see that the California, right? So this is your answer, 2.18%. Okay, so that is your answer for this question. And the next one asks show both citizen population and confirmed water by age as a percent of column total. Okay, so that is the third question asks to show the citizen population and confirmed water by age, but as a percent column total. Okay, you can look at the pivot table. Okay, citizen population and confirmed water by percent of column total. So you can see, you can do like show where you at, right? And then you can show where you at percent of column total. Okay, so you have citizen populations and confirmed water. Show where you as citizen column total. And then the next thing is ask what percentage of the citizen populations, what percentage of citizen population do 55 to 64 years old represent? What percentage of citizen population do 55 to 64-year-old represent? Okay, so this is the next questions, right? So you have to take the step out. You can see that the citizen populations, so this is the answer. Citizen populations for so this 45 to 64. 45 to 64. So this is gonna be the answer, right? 35 to 0.63%. And the next question is, what percentage of the confirmed voter for population? So this is the answer, 39.12%. Okay, so that is question 3. Now question 4 is create a new calculated field named voter turnout. It's equal to confirmed voter divided by registered voter. Okay, voter turnout. So you can take the citizen population and take the register here, right? Okay, I can take this off and then register. Okay, and now you have anyway, now you can have confirmed voter and registered voter, right? And voter turnout, it's confirmed divided by register. So that you can go to this calculated field, right? And you can create voter turnout, which is equal to confirmed voter divided by registered voter. Okay, and then you click OK. So you have, and then you can change this to number format, and then make it as percentage, like 0 decimal, and you can have like the new field, right? And then the next question asks, format as percentage with 2 decimal points. Sorry, so you have to use this 2 decimal. That's okay. And then which state has the highest voter turnout rate? Okay, we want to know what states, right? We take age out and we take state in, right? So we want to know what state have the highest voter turnout. So we can do sorting, right? The voter turnout, right? So the highest is Colorado, 94.69%. Okay, so this is the answer. And what about among 18 to 24 years old voter, especially? So you can find about the age, right? You can take state and you can take age, and you can do ranking, right? You can do sorting, sending by the voter turnout. Okay, and you want to know this segment, right? This segment, what states it's have the voter turnout highest voter turnout in this specific segment, right? So you can take the states, right? The state, and you can take age to the filters. Okay, so in this case, and you can see that the answer is Wisconsin, 93.18%, right? So that is the answer for these questions. And next one is as politicians seeking to improve the turnout rate among this group, what particular state should you target first? So this is so you should target the state that have the lowest turnout rate, right? So in this case, you go back to here and you can do sorting like by the ascending order. You can see that West Virginia, Arkansas, Texas, this kind of the lowest is West Virginia. So your answer is West Virginia. Okay, so that is for the first case. Okay, try to practice and hope you understand more about pivot table. Bye bye.